Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Laos. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Lao eVisa website, and this is the home page where they have given some conditions that this e-visa you can used to enter from 9 international ports. These are the details. Okay. Fee is non-refundable. Can be processed within 3 business days, provided they don't need additional or if anything is not missing. So you can read through all of that and click on I agree. Once you are ready, then you can click on apply now. First is select your country of passport. Do it as per your own case. I'm just putting sample. Okay. Type of travel. Most of people will have ordinary. Email. Okay. Put your email and then click the enter the code and click on next. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to see you guys. So now I have reached the second page. So basically what happens when you put your email address, it sends a 4-digit code that you have to enter. And now I'm on this page. Okay. So you need to upload your photo and passport. Okay. And then you need to provide these pieces of information. Anyway, we'll go through the information, then surname. So do it as per your own case. So I'm just putting sample. If you don't have surname, you can, there was a checkbox that's gone. Telephone. Provide as per your case. Patient. Your address, whatever it is. Make sure your date of birth, make sure it matches with your passport. State, province. Country of birth. Nationality. Next comes passport detail. Everything that you enter here, verify at least 2 times, not just one. Date of issue. If you can check your passport easily, you will find it out. Date of expiry. Country of passport. Now coming down, travel details, how you are going to enter, because they have given some port of entry using, you have to enter through that only if you want to use this e-visa. Internet date of entry. Let's say you're entering on this day. Flight number, train, whatever. So, purpose of trip, travel, address during visit. So if you have hotel booking and other things, definitely. Next session is optional, but if you have, definitely provide that. Terms condition continue. So, but yeah, of course, you have to upload your photo and passport. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you on the next screen. This is the confirmation screen where you have to confirm everything. You have the option to go back and do. Otherwise, you can continue and then you can pay. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.